Today we are going to talk about product mock-ups. I know when I started my Etsy store, I had no idea what a mock-up was, and I kept seeing people posting this mock-up, that mock-up, and I didn't have any idea what they were or how to use them. So today that's what we're going to talk about is product mock-ups. So I started in my Creative Fabrica All Access account, and I went under graphics here and product mockups. And so it brought up a whole bunch of mockups here. So what I did is I actually downloaded this whole shop mockup, and I've got a lot of shirt design mockups and tumblers and all kinds of things that I have already downloaded, but I strongly suggest that you look into a Creative Fabrica All Access account so that you can use these designs. I will have a link below for that. But now I'm going to go into my Canva account. And I do have the Pro account. Some of these features you do need Pro for, but not all of them. So I will try to point that out. So when I do a mock-up, I will usually just use an Instagram post square because they do not have to be huge DPI and everything. So this is a good size for that. So now what I did is I started this new template here. So now I'm going to go into uploads because I have uploaded a bunch of mockups already. So I'm going to put mockup in here and see what comes up here. And then as you can see now, there's a bunch of mugs, towels, shirts, all kinds of things. The ones that you see here with black, those are real interesting. I'll put one of those in my design because that means that your design can go behind it because it's actually a PNG image. So I'm going to bring this up, make it bigger, this wind spinner. Now I'm going to add another page because I'm going to bring in a bunch of different things here. I'm looking for Christmas ornaments. Here's a couple. Like these are tumbler wraps. I'll bring one of those in, and you see how they look black over here, but they're white here. I'll show you how that works because we're actually going to be dropping our image in and it's going to go behind it. But now you see this white one here. I'll do that one too. This wine one, this wine tumbler. That is just, you're going to have to put a PNG on top of that one. I'll explain that in a bit when we get to these. Now I'm looking for, okay, I'll use this Christmas ornament here, but I'm also going to look for another Christmas ornament because I want to show you, when they have the, let's see, ornament mock-up. Let's see, those are my designs. Christmas ornament. Oh, where are we? Here's one kind of, I'll use this one. I'll use this one, I'll get, oh, no, that's one that I've already designed. So I'm going to delete that one. I'm looking for a Christmas ornament that I can put the whole image so it goes into it. I'm looking for one that has this black background in it. I do have it here somewhere, so I'm going to try this again. I'm just going to go to Christmas ornament mock. Let's see what comes up here. Oh, all my Christmas ornaments that I've done. Oh, here we go. Here's one with the black. Now see, when I brought this in, it looks white on the page here, but it'll be black. I want to show you how this works. So there's a couple different ways to do these. Now we're going to scroll up. So what I'll do first is I'll put one on this Christmas ornament, which is not, that's going to be more, you have to put a PNG on there. So I'll do that. Here's a PNG, Baby's First Christmas 2024. You just pop it in there and you center it. Now this Christmas ornament, I'm going to want to put a different design on that because it's going to go behind it. So I got to get rid of this. And then I'm going to go to my Christmas ornaments that I've made and see what comes up here. Searching here. Those are round. I'm going to try and look for a square one. Here's a square one. So now I'm going to click on this. These are some designs that I make and sell on Etsy. So now I can bring this in and I'm going to make it smaller so that I can just get it right into this ornament here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to position and send it to the back. How slick is that? So now you have what your ornament is going to look like. So now we'll go up to this wine one here. Well, I'll do a tumbler one here. Let's see if I can find some of my tumbler wraps here. Uploads, let's see. I'm sure I've got some here. I let this load. It's taking a little longer than I was hoping here. Oh, some of my designs that I've got going here. I know I've got some tumbler wraps in here. Should have thought this through before I started and had them where I could just grab them real quick. Let's see. See if I can put my projects here. I'll just go back to uploads and keep going down. Get to some more here. I just recently did a really cute cranky woman design for a tumbler, and it was really cute. Here's a beer one. I guess we'll use this one. So I'm just going to click on this. This is a beer tumbler wrap that I made. And so what you do is you just line it up here on your tumbler and see how that lined up real nice there. Then you go to position again and send it back and see how great that looks. It looks really good. So now I will stick something on this wine one here. Magnificent. I made some cute wine sayings here. It's not going to let me find that one. Age. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, this is cute. This is one that I have on Etsy too. If things get better with age, then I'm approaching magnificent. So see how that came in, and then you just center it the way you want it to look for your ad or whatever that you're going to be using this mock-up for. So now let's go up to the wind spinner. See if I can find, I guess I can do anything here for the wind spinner. So what I'll do is I'll go up to elements and I'm going to put background in. And I will find a cute background here. Let's see. Background, let's do spring background. Oh, it's got some cute ones here. Open it up, go to graphics. Oh, this is cute. I'll just add this. So now I just bring this in, make it bigger than the wind spinner. I usually make my own designs, but just to show you this without taking up too much of your time. So you stretch that out so that it fits on your wind spinner, and then you position, send it back. See how slick that is? So this is how mock-ups work. So now what I will typically do also is I'll go back to my uploads here, and you'll have to clear my search, and I will look for my logo. So my cup overflows is what my business is called. So here's my logo that I will add to my designs, and I will put this somewhere on my design so that when I'm selling my design, people aren't stealing your ideas. So I'll just typically I will put it on the first one, and then I'll Control C, go to the next one. Whoops, get it right in there. Control V. And sometimes I have to move them around because my logo is very light. I don't want it to be overbearing. Control V. Again, I have to move it because it's got to be in a spot where you can see it. Control V. That one looks good there. And then Control V. And that one, there really is no good spot on this one, maybe right there. So now what I do is, because these are just your plain square Instagram posts. So now what I do is I go to share and download, and I download them as a PNG, but you do not need a transparent background. So I believe everything that we've done here, we do not need Pro for it, because I uploaded all of these my mock-ups all came from Creative Fabrica, and you do not need to have a transparent background on these. So again, I'm going to go to share and download, and you don't need to increase the size, so you don't have to do that. You can keep it at the same size right here as the standard, and then I'm just going to hit download. And now it's going to download it into a zip file. And then you just open up your zip file when it's done. And then you can use these for your advertising on Facebook, on Instagram, on Etsy, whatever you want. So here, it's still uploading here. We'll give it a second here, and then I'll open this up and unzip it. I'll unzip this, extract all. Oop. And here are these designs. You can see that they came out real crisp and clear, and you can make these as big or as small as you want to. I just put them in a Word document here so that you can see how crisp and clear they did turn out. So here I thought I would bring in a couple shirt designs and maybe a towel or something here too. So let's start with a shirt and maybe a onesie here. We'll add a towel and maybe a pillow here if I can find one. A mug, we can do a mug. All right, so pretty much these are all the same way. These are designs now that need to have the image set on top of them. These are not designs that you're going to be putting behind. So I'm going to do this real quick here. So now I'm just going to go to my uploads here. Oh, I better add a an adult shirt here too for you. I like to use this one. This one's real pretty. So I'll bring this up and slide it in. I'm not going to do a lot of tweaking to these. I'm just going to kind of give you an idea here. So I got to get rid of this. Here's some designs that I just got done making. So I'll slide this one in here. So you can make this as big or as small as you want. And you see how the hair is in the way there. So what I like to do is I'll go into this image and edit the image. I do believe that you need, yes, you do. For the magic eraser here, you do need to have a Canva Pro account, but I'll just go in and I'll just brush out some of the hair here that's in the way. And then it will erase that. If you don't have the Canva Pro account, you can't use the magic eraser this way. But I just sometimes these images, the hair is in the way of the design. So see how that changed that? And now it's better where you can see the design real well. And see, these are cute too. So I'll put this on this onesie. I just did this design the other day too. It says, I just did 9 months on the inside and my parents are serving life. I'll have links below to my Etsy shop as well. So you just lay that right on top. Let's see what we can put on this towel here. Oh, find something cute. Oh, I'll just go up and grab something from the top here. Have the day you deserve. You can bring it in, bring it to where it's going to fit. And then since that towel is at a curve, you just grab it here and you turn it the way you want it. I got that one. We'll just use these same ones here. Have the day you deserve. I got that in there. Bring it down. And then you just download these the same way that I just downloaded the other ones. Let me see, add something to this. Oh, I don't have anything cute here for a little girl. Oh, this is kind of cute. Made this one too, kind of bougie, kind of broke. So put that. It's not a good one for a little kid, but you get the idea here on how this works. And you just set that on your image. You can also go here and you can change the transparency of the image, like this, but and then again, you just go to share and download the same way as we did the other images. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on using mockups. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment, and have a great day.